Okay, so this is a 30-degree incline cable cuffed lateral raise, which is quite a mouthful. So the first thing I want you to know is that sometimes the jump in between the weights in a gym can be quite large, so you can always use some fractional plates to put through the pin just to make the exercise a bit more adjustable to your ability and your strength. So what we're going to start off with is Ali's going to pop his forearms and his hands through the cuffs. As he slides them up, he's just going to find a comfortable place for the cuffs to go for him. Some people find that if they've got really long limbs, they can bring them up a little bit higher, but for most people, it's just after your wrist. From there, as you can see, his starting position is similar to the lat raise with the dumbbell, where we've got almost a tennis ball in between the body and his arms. From here, Ali's going to push the arms away from his body, not thinking about raising them, so we can make sure that all tension is through the delts. And as you come all the way back down, we're not going to let our arms cross over, we're going to keep tension through the muscle throughout the move. To come all the way back up, something that is helping us stay stable is also keeping his core nice and tight and keeping our feet planted on the ground. And this is a 30-degree cuffed lat raise.